If one were to look at a bird distribution map, one would often see that a species has a winter range, perhaps over a wide geographic area, and a summer range, perhaps over a wide geographic area. That would be true of the black-tailed godwit, which can range in its breeding summer from Western Europe and Iceland, where this bird was photographed, through Eastern Asia. And its winter grounds can stretch from Western Europe to Africa to Australia and Indonesia. However, a species is often divided into separate populations, which may even be classified as subspecies. So, for example, this bird in Iceland is not going to migrate to Australia or Indonesia. Instead, it is most likely to spend its winter in Ireland, the United Kingdom, France, or the Netherlands. Most of the birds which spend their winters throughout Western and Eastern Europe are most likely to spend their winters in Africa. And the birds which spend their summers throughout Asia are most likely to spend their winters in Australia, the Philippines, Indonesia, and Taiwan. And so, when one looks at the broad distribution of a species, it hides the fact that there may be separate subpopulations or subspecies which have more specific ranges. Even though couples in a pair of godwits do not spend their winters together, they often return to the same summer region and will seek out the same partners, often arriving within a few days of each other. If an individual's partner did not return from migration around the typical time, that individual might seek a new partner.